All right, welcome. And now we have got Act 2, Scene 3 of Macbeth. तो मर्डर हो चुका है. Macbeth and Lady Macbeth परेशान हो चुके हैं. And now, of course, there is knocking on the door, on the gates. Somebody must have turned up. So before we start, please download the app to get all the access to the free material that we have. And here we go. Scene 3. अच्छा, this enter a porter, basically guard होएगा, ठीक है? तो his character has been put there by Shakespeare to just kind of relieve the tension that was building up. तो थोड़ा humor बीच में डाल दिया गया है, so that the जनता is kind of they are not under so much stress that what's going to happen now. थोड़ा सा relief मिलता है उनको. Macbeth's castle, enter a porter knocking within. और अभी तक knocking चल रही है. Somebody is knocking on the gates. Here's a knocking indeed. If a man were porter of Hellgate, he should have old turning the key. He should have old turning the key. Knock, 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 knock. Who's there? It name of Beelzebub. There's a farmer that hanged himself on the expectation of plenty. Come in time, have napkins enough about you. Here you'll sweat for it. Knock, knock, knock. Who's there in the other devil's name? Faith. Here is an equivocator that could swear in both the scales against either scale, who committed treason enough for God's sake, yet could not equivocate to heaven. Oh, come in, equivocator. तो पहले farmer, अब equivocator. Knock, knock. अभी भी knocking चल रही है. Who's there? Faith. Here's an English tailor come hither for stealing out of a French house. Basically copying the French fashion. Come in, tailor. Here you may have roast your goose. Knock, knock, knock. Never at quiet. What are you? But this place is too cold for hell. I'll devil porter it no further. I had thought to have let in some of all professions that go the primrose way to the everlasting bonfire. Knock, and on. I pray you, remember the porter, and opens the door. Basically, porter is all drunk. भाई मेरी मेकिंग तो पूरे कासल में हुई है ना, तो porter is all drunk. तो in his kind of drunken state, he imagines himself to be the devil porter. And यहाँ पे devil you can see कौन हो सकता है? Macbeth. तो porter से, और वो imagine कर रहा है कि पहले एक फार्मर आया, तो फार्मर काइंड ऑफ ही एक्सपेक्टेड कि हम बहुत पैसे कमा लेंगे क्योंकि फसल थोड़ी कम होगी. एंड दिस बेसिकली टॉक्स अबाउट 1605, जब बहुत ज्यादा फसल हो गई थी. तो फार्मर कुड नॉट मेक दैट मच मनी बिकॉज हायर द सप्लाई द प्राइस कम्स डाउन. तो ही कमिट्स सुसाइड. तो उसको बोला तुम तो ये नैपकिन पकड़ो, तुमको यहाँ हेल में ना बहुत जरूरत पड़ेगी इसकी. एंड देन इक्विवोकेटर, जो इधर की भी बात बोल रहा है, उधर की बात बोल रहा है, फाइन, उसको हेल में बुला लिया. देन कम्स द टेलर हु वाज काइंड ऑफ स्टीलिंग फ्रॉम द फैशन ऑफ द फ्रेंच, उनको भी बुला लिया, ठीक. एंड बट ही रियलाइजेस कि यार इट इज कोल्ड एंड हेल इज सपोज टू बी हॉट, सो आई थिंक दिस इज नॉट हेल. ओके, but this place is too cold for hell. I'll deliver porter it no further. I had thought to have led in some of all professions that go the primrose way to the everlasting bonfire. Knock. All right. अब थोड़ा होश में आया, बोलते हैं अच्छा this is not hell. Probably I am still on earth. He opens the door. Enter Macduff and Lennox. Macduff and Lennox basically उनको बोला गया था राजा जी को जगाने को सुबह सुबह. तो they have come for that. Was it so late, friend? You went to bed that you do lie so late. तो मैकडफ पूछा है क्या मतलब कर रात बहुत देर हो गई क्या यार, इतनी देर तक सो रहे हो? Porter, Faith, sir, we were carousing till the second cock. And drink, sir, is a great provoker of three things. And Porter अभी भी फॉर्म में है, वो कह रहा है हम second cock तक सो रहे थे, मतलब about 3 a.m. You see here, celebrating drinking till second cock until the cock crowed for a second time, that is about 3 a.m. Macduff, Faith, sir, we were carousing till the second cock, and drink, sir, is a great provoker of three things. कौन सा भाई? What three things does drink especially provoke? Porter, Mary, sir, Mary वो by the Virgin Mary, उन्होंने एक form of the mild oath. Nose painting sleep, and urine lechery, sir. It provokes and unprovokes. It provokes the desire, but it takes away the performance. There is, of course, there is sexual connotation to it. ठीक है कि डिजायर, शराब पी के डिजायर तो हो रही है बट परफॉर्मेंस नहीं हो रहा है. Therefore, much drink may be said to be an equivocator with lechery. It makes him and it mars him. It sets him on and it takes him off. It persuades him and disheartens him, makes him stands to and not stand to. In conclusion, equivocates him in a sleep and giving him the lie leaves him. As I said, rouses him to sexual activity, then makes him impotent. Fulfills his desire only in a dream. Cheating him, throwing him down as in wrestling, making him lose his erection, forcing him to urinate. तो पोर्टर को होश नहीं है वो किससे बात कर रहा है. ठीक है, वो अपना ज्ञान दे रहा है किस चीज का कि सर जब अल्कोहल बहुत ज्यादा हो जाता है ना तो ये बड़ी प्रॉब्लम आती है. इट प्रोवोक्स द डिजायर बट इट टेक्स अवे द performance. Macduff, I believe drink gave thee the lie last night. Macduff probably हंसते हुए बोल रहा है कि मुझे लग रहा है कि last night आपको lie मिल गया है. You were not able to perform. Porter, that it did, sir. I the very throat on me, but I requited him for his lie. And I think, being too strong for him, though he took up my legs sometime, yet I made a shift to cast him. Basically, vomit कर दिया, सारा का सारा शराब बाहर आ गई. एंटर मैकबेथ. और ये आवाज तो आ रही थी, वो दोनों जग भी रहे थे. तो जब नॉक 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 तो उसी बहाने मैकबेथ ने एंट्री मारी. और इतने टाइम में मैकबेथ अपने हाथ धो के कपड़े बदल के रेडी है. मैकडफ, इज दाई मास्टर स्टरिंग? हैज द किंग वोकन अप? और नॉकिंग हैज अवेक्ड हिम? हियर ही कम्स. एग्जिट पोर्टर. पोर्टर भाई साहब चले गए, उन्होंने पी रखी थी वो निकल लिए. लेनॉक्स, गुड मॉरो नोबल सर. मैकबेथ, गुड मॉरो बोथ. मैकडफ, इज द किंग स्टारिंग? वर्दी थेन? मैकबेथ, नॉट येट. मैकडफ, he did command me to call timely on him. I have almost slipped the hour. और मैं 1 घंटे लेट ही आया हूं. मैकबेथ, I'll bring you to him. मैं जाता हूं चैम्बर से उनको लेके आता हूं. मैकडफ, I know this is a joyful trouble to you, but yet swan. Macbeth, the labor we delight in physics pain, this is the door. और वो मैकडफ को रास्ता दिखाता है चैम्बर का कि भाई उधर दरवाजा है, जाओ जगा लो. मैकडफ, I'll make so bold to call, for it's my limited service, and exits. अपॉइंटेड सर्विस है उनकी, उनको कहा गया था कि आके जगाइएगा. Lennox, goes the king hence today? Macbeth, he did appoint so. Lennox पूछा क्या आज Duncan will return? And Macbeth says, yeah, that's what he said, so probably he'll be leaving today itself. Lennox, the night hath been unruly. अब Lennox अकेले में मैकबेथ को बता रहा है कि यार कल ना मौसम था बड़ा खराब. The night has been unruly. Where we lay, our chimneys were blown down. And, as they say, lamentings heard it dire strange screams of death, and prophesying with accents terrible of dire combustion and confused events. New hashed to the woeful time, the obscure bird clamored the livelong night. Some say the earth was fibrous and did shake. Okay. Terrible confusion and strange new happenings that have come out of this dreadful time. Lennox refers to the war with Norway, but its words have a more immediate application. बात वो कर रहा था कि यार अभी अभी हम वॉर से निकले हैं, वहां पे बहुत a lot of blood and gore and violence was there. But उसका relevance अभी पिछली रात से, क्योंकि मर्डर अभी हुआ है. The obscure bird, the owl, which is usually seen and heard only at night, the livelong night, throughout the whole long night, चिमनीज भी नहीं जले और आउल भी श्रीक कर रहा है. बेसिकली सब कुछ बहुत ही सिनिस्टर और बैड हो रखा है. Lennox, my young remembrance cannot parallel a fellow to it. And Lennox says that I am not very old, I'm a young fellow, but still, whatever life I've seen, I have never seen such violent, unruly night. Enter Macduff. Macduff वापस आता है. Macduff, oh, horror, 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 tongue nor heart cannot conceive nor name thee. Macbeth and Lennox, what's the matter? Macduff, confusion now hath made his masterpiece most sacrilegious. murder hath broke up the Lord's anointed temple and stole thence the life of building. अब मैकडफ तो डेड डंकन को देख के आ रहा है, एंड ही कम्स आउट शाउटिंग, ही सेज टंग नॉर हार्ट कैन नॉट कंसीव नॉर नेम दी, ना आप सोच सकते हैं और ना ही आप वो बोल सकते हैं जो मैं अभी देख के आया हूं. व्हाट्स द मैटर? मैकडफ, कंफ्यूजन नाउ hath made his masterpiece. Most sacrilegious, unholy murder hath broke up the Lord's anointed temple, matlab the body of the king, and stole thence the life of building. और वहां से जो है सोल निकाल लिया गया है, जिंदगी ले ली गई. The king's body, the temple, the king's body which had been anointed with holy oil at his coronation to signify that he was God's deputy on earth. Macbeth, what is you say the life? And Macbeth who has committed the murder, जिसने खून किया हुआ है, वो वहां पे बड़ी हटिंग कर रहा है कि क्या बात करते हो यार, अभी तो हम उनको सुला के आए थे. Lennox, mean you his majesty? You mean the king? Macduff, approach the chamber and destroy your sight with a new gorgon. Do not bid me speak. And he says, go and look for yourself. And it is such a sight that you will lose your eyes, you will become blind. वो इतनी gory sight है, the sight that you cannot bear. Gorgon, in Greek mythology, the Gorgon Medusa, a monster with snakes for hair, turned every man to stone who looked at her. जिसने देखा उसकी आंखें पत्थर हो गई, वही पत्थर हो गया. The sight of Duncan's murdered body will have the same effect. That is what Macduff says. Do not bid me speak. मुझसे मत बुलाओ, जाके खुद ही देख लो और पत्थर हो जाओ. See and then speak yourselves. Macbeth, Lennox जाते हैं. Awake, awake. Ring the alarm bell. Murder and treason. Banquo and Donalbain. Malcolm, awake, shake off this dowry sleep, death's counterfeit, and look on death itself. And Macduff still shouting that, bell बजाओ, सबको जगाओ और यहां पे बुलाओ, यहां पे राजा का मर्डर हो चुका है. Up, up and see the great doom's image. Malcolm, Banquo, as from your graves rise up and walk like sprites to countenance this horror, to see this horror. Bell rings, enter Lady Macbeth. और जब वो बेल बजी है, अलार्म बजाया गया है, ठीक है, तो लेडी मैकबेथ आई है. What's the business that such a hideous trumpet calls to parley the sleepers of the house? और ये क्या हुआ है कि इस तरह से आप अलार्म बजा रहे हो और लोग को उठा रहे हो? What has happened? Speak, speak. Rise up like ghosts from their graves, and as the Christian dead will do at the last judgment. Countenance, come face to face. Trumpet, alarm bell, perhaps sounding like the last trumpet which will arouse the dead on judgment. Parley, why? Why have we awakened and called for this conference? Speak. Macduff, oh gentle lady, it's not for you to hear what I can speak. The repetition in a woman's ear would murder as it fell. And Macduff is hesitant to tell Lady Macbeth straight away that the king has been murdered. And he says, a woman cannot hear what I have just seen. And he doesn't know that she is the one completely involved in that. Enter Banquo. Oh, Banquo, Banquo, our royal master's murdered. Now Macduff has lost it. The lady is standing there. अभी उनको बोला कि आप नहीं सुन पाओगी. फिर Banquo आता देखा तो Banquo को बोल दिया, the king has been murdered. Lady Macbeth, whoa, alas, what? In our house? Now she's trying to act as wonderfully as possible. हमारे घर में मर्डर हो गया? Banquo, too cruel anywhere. And Banquo says, घर में हो कहीं भी हो, it is equally cruel. And remember, Banquo is a smart guy. He knows what the witches have predicted. अभी नहीं तो बाद में उसका दिमाग चलेगा. Dear Duff, I prithee contradict thyself and say it is not so. Banquo कहता है, Macduff, please take your words back and say that whatever you have said just now is a lie. It is not true. The king is not dead. Enter Macbeth and Lennox. और वो रूम से लौट रहे हैं, चैम्बर से लौट रहे हैं. Macbeth, had I but died an hour before this chance, I had lived a blessed time. For from this instant, there is nothing serious in mortality. मैकबेथ अलग लेवल पे एक्टिंग. वो कह रहा है अगर मैं भी 1 घंटे पहले मर गया होता ना तो माई लाइफ वुड हैव बीन अ सक्सेस. because now on, after what has happened, the life is not serious anymore. There is nothing valuable in mortality, nothing important. All is but toys. Renown and grace is dead. अब सब खिलौने ही हैं. The fame and the kindness is dead. The king is gone. The wine of life is drawn and the mere lease is left this vault to brag of. जो वाइन अच्छी वाली है वो सब खत्म हो गई. अब जो बचा खुचा माल वॉल्ट में है बस वही बचा है जिसके बारे में कुछ खास है नहीं. एंटर मैल्कम एंड डोनाल्ड. और अब बेटे आते हैं क्योंकि अलार्म ट्रम्पेट जो बजा था वो. व्हाट इज अ मिस? क्या गड़बड़ है? मैकबेथ, यू आर and you don't know. Macbeth straight away, no kind of beating about the bush. See there, problem, you are, and you don't still know it. The spring, the head, the fountain of your blood is stopped. The very source of it is stopped. And he doesn't say that Duncan has been murdered. He says that the fountain of your blood has been stopped. Macduff, your royal father's murdered. Macduff केवल लेडी मैकबेथ को नहीं बता पा रहा था, बाकी सबको सीधे बोल दे रहा है वो. योर रॉयल फादर्स मर्डर्ड. मैल्कम, बाय whom? Lennox, those of his chamber, as it seemed, had done it. And he says that the people who were appointed for his security, it seems they have done it. Their hands and faces were all bashed with blood, as planned by Macbeth and the lady Macbeth. So were the daggers which, unwiped, we found upon their pillows. They stared and were distracted. No man's life was to be trusted with them. And उनको ब्लड में स्पेयर किया हुआ था, डैगर उनके वहां रखे हुए थे, खून में सने हुए. तो सीधा सीधा शक क्या, सब श्योर ही होगा कि इन्होंने मर्डर किया था. They were not to be trusted. Macbeth, oh, yet I do repent me of my fury that I did kill them. And Macbeth और स्मार्ट आदमी, उन दोनों को भी मार दिया. Because had they been alive, तो बातचीत होती, इन्वेस्टिगेशन होता, probably chances were that it would have been found कि मर्डर उन्होंने तो नहीं किया. And then all the blame would have straight away shifted to Macbeth because Banquo, remember, he's there. Macduff, wherefore did you do so? Why did you kill them? Macbeth, who can be wise, amazed, temperate and furious, loyal and neutral in a moment. अब एक ही moment पे हम सब कुछ नहीं हो सकते. I got so angry, that's it. No man, the expedition of my violent love outran the pauser reason. मेरा जो अंधा प्यार था राजा के लिए वो मेरे लॉजिक के ऊपर भारी पड़ गया and I killed those two. Here lay Duncan, his silver skin laced with his golden blood, and his gashed stabs looked like a breach in nature for ruins wasteful entrance. और वहां से डेथ ने एंट्री मारी है उसके बॉडी में. There the murderers are like a breach in nature. Of course, stabbing हुआ है तो there's hole in the body, right? So he says that through that hole, the death entered his body. Duncan's wounds were like a break in the shoreline where the sea's destruction has broken in. Okay. Steeped in the colors of their trade, they are the murderers. Steeped in the colors of their trade, their daggers unmannerly breached with gore, blood. Who could refrain that had a heart to love, and in that heart courage to makes love known. Lady Macbeth, help me hence. How? Lady Macbeth को ये नहीं पता था. This was out of syllabus for Lady Macbeth also. यार ये Macbeth जाके उन दोनों गार्ड्स को भी मार देगा. So this was a surprise for her, and she says, help me hence. And तब तक Macbeth अपने को डिफेंड कर चुका है. बोलता है यार कोई भी इंसान जो राजा से इतना प्यार करता है और हिम्मत वाला आदमी है वो कैसे उन गार्ड्स को जिंदा छोड़ेगा. Macduff, look to the lady. Exit Lady Macbeth helped. Malcolm to Donalbain. Why do we hold our tongues that most may claim? और मैल्कम ने भाई को बोल रहा है कि हम लोग चुप क्यों हैं? We should be the ones who should be shouting aloud. हम शांत क्यों हैं? This argument for ours, that most may claim this argument for ours. Donalbain to Malcolm. What should be spoken here? Where our fate hid in an auger hole may rush and seize us. Let's away. Our tears are not yet brewed. And Malcolm बोलता है कि look boss ऐसा है ना, this is not a time to cry. Our father has been murdered, and we are in a great bit of risk to be murdered as well. What should be spoken here? Where our fate hid in an auger hole. Auger hole एक जो कारपेंटर छेद बनाता है एक टूल से अपने, ठीक है? May rush and seize us. Let's away. Let's run away from here. Our tears are not yet brewed. अभी वक्त नहीं है रोने धोने का यार, भागते हैं. Malcolm, nor our strong sorrow upon the foot of motion. Nor our strong sorrow upon the foot of motion. Banco, look to the lady. And when we have our naked frailties hid, और Banco बोल रहा है भाई, attend the lady. And when we have our naked frailties hid that suffer in exposure, let us meet and question this most bloody piece of world. और Banco बोलता है कि ठीक है, let us gather ourselves, fine, and when we can have a dialogue, let us gather and then talk about it, that who could have done it and why. To know it further, fears and scruples shake us. Fears and the doubts shake us. In the great hand of God I stand, and thence against the undivulged pretense I fight of treasonous malice. And he says कि भगवान के प्रोटेक्शन के अंडर, in the great hand of God I stand, and thence against the undivulged pretense I fight of treasonous malice. Malice, the harmful feelings. Okay, Macduff, and so do I. All, so all. Macbeth, let's briefly put on manly readiness and meet at the hall together. And Macbeth says, let's get ready, and then after a while, let's meet in the hall. All well contended. Malcolm Donalbain को छोड़ के सब चले गए. Malcolm, what will you do? Let's not consort, let's not associate with them. To show an unfelt sorrow is an office which the false man does easy. Now this is a wonderful line. बेटा नोट कर लो, इसको सीधे सीधे दागी देना यार. To show an unfelt sorrow is an office which the false man does easy. आपको कोई दुख नहीं है, लेकिन you are pretending कि आप बहुत दुखी हो गए हैं जो भी कुछ हुआ है. And that is the mark of a false man, which means a cunning person. A bad man, a hypocrite can easily show a sorrow that he doesn't feel. तो इसको तो रट ही लेते हैं यार. To show an unfelt sorrow is an office which the false man does easy. I'll to England. And Malcolm says, I will leave and go to England. यहां से भागते हैं. Donalbain, ये डी लगा बेटा बट है नहीं उसमें, ठीक है. To Ireland, are separated to Ireland. अच्छा, Malcolm goes to England and Donalbain goes to Ireland. That's the plan. Our separated fortune shall keep us both safer. Where we are, there is daggers in millions smiles, and nearer in blood, the nearer bloody. और कहता है जहां अभी हम खड़े हैं ना, वहां पे लोगों के मुस्कुराहटों के पीछे डैगर्स छुपे हुए हैं, और जो डंकन के जितना करीब है उतना वो रिस्क पे है. And of course, we are the closest. We are the sons. तो भागते हैं यहां पे. Malcolm, this murderous shaft that's shot hath not yet lighted, and our safest way is to avoid the aim. और जो तीर चला है ना राजा को मारने के लिए, ये भी लैंड नहीं किया है, तो probably it's still in the air and it may hit us. Therefore, to horse, and let us not be dainty of leave taking. Let us not be guilty of leave taking, but shift away. There is a warrant in that theft which steals itself when there is no mercy left. और जब कोई mercy नहीं बची है, जब जान पे बात आई पड़ी है और हम कमजोर हैं इस समय, there is no shame in running away from it. There is an authorized theft to steal oneself away from a place where there is no mercy. Malcolm closes the scene with a rhyme and a grim and exit. All right. मर्डर हो गया, लोग इकट्ठे हुए, पता चल गया, गार्ड्स भी मार दिए गए. अब दो बेटे हैं, they have realized कि बॉस they are in danger. So they plan. Malcolm says I'll go to England and Donalbain says I'll go to Ireland. जिंदा रहना जरूरी है बदला लेने के लिए. तो अभी let's not feel guilty about running away. Maybe life will give us another chance to get the kingdom back. And अब इसके बाद क्या होता है, इसके बाद के सीन में देखते हैं यार.